So this is the iPhone 6s Plus, and I'm going to make a video recording of the replacement of the screen, actually the replacement of the display with an iFixit display, and just to show you that the iFixit display isn't working, and hopefully I can get it sorted from iFixit. So this is the original screen, and here you can see the damage on the bottom left hand corner. And what I'm going to do is just demonstrate that this particular screen, whilst the display isn't working, whilst the screen is cracked, the display actually works quite well. So I can enter the pin, and you can see that I can flick from one screen to the other from the top of the phone by touching the top of the screen, the bottom of the screen, or the middle of the screen. So this screen responds to touch from the top, middle and bottom, and when I put the iFixit phone in, you'll see that it doesn't work. You can only touch it from the top half of the screen. So let me go and switch this off now and replace the screen with the iFixit screen. Okay, so I've now replaced the original display with the iFixit display. So this is the iFixit display. I put the cover on from the iFixit display across to this one, but this is the original. If I turn it over, you'll see there's a cracked screen there at the bottom left hand corner. So this is the iFixit screen. I haven't actually completely fixed it in place because I wanted to lift it and show you that all the connectors are in place. I've made sure in particular that the connectors up here are seated firmly into their sockets. So that's all done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to boot up the mobile and show you how the display is defective. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the pin number, and as you can see, it's actually quite dull, you can barely see it, but it's not doing anything. I can't enter. Maybe if I just held it up like this, I can enter the 1. You can see there it reacts to the 1. It's gone off now. I can't even oh yeah, okay, here we go. I can press the 1 and you'll see it reacted there. I can't delete it because it doesn't respond. I can press 2, I can't delete it. I can press 5, but I can't press 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, up to there I can touch the screen and it will respond. But any of the lower digits, when I touch the screen, nothing happens. It's also very, very dull as well, the screen. So you basically can't even enter your pin number because the bottom half of the screen from this point below doesn't respond to any touch.